Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about Best Optoma UHD55 calibration settings. Best Optoma UHD55 calibration settings. SDR calibration settings. Display mode, reference, wall color off, dynamic range auto, picture settings, brightness 2, contrast -3, sharpness 10, color -4, tint 0, gamma 2.4. Color settings, brilliant color 1, color temperature D65, color matching white RGB -17 -13 -1, red HSL -1 0 -9, green HSL 16 7 -5, blue HSL 10 3 0, cyan HSL 25 3 2, yellow HSL 22 -5 -9, magenta HSL -24 2 and 2. RGB gain and bias. R gain 2, G gain -4, B gain -6, R bias -3, G bias 0, B bias 0. Color space auto, brightness mode bright. HDR calibration settings. Display mode HDR, dynamic range, HDR and HLG auto, HDR picture mode bright. Picture settings HDR brightness 9, brightness -3, contrast 0, sharpness 10, color 35, tint 0. Color settings brilliant color 7, color temperature D65. Color matching white RGB -1 -4 17, red HSL -10 1 18, green HSL 0 0 20, blue HSL -8 -5 20, cyan HSL 8 34 15, yellow HSL 16 -12 9, magenta HSL 22 -2 15. RGB gain and bias. R gain 0, G gain -3, B gain 1. R bias 0, G bias -2, B bias -2. Color space auto, brightness mode bright. WCG underscore HDR calibration settings. Display mode WCG underscore HDR, wall color off, dynamic range HDR or HLG auto, HDR picture mode bright. Picture settings HDR brightness 9, brightness -1, contrast 1, sharpness 10, color 0, tint 0. Color settings brilliant color 9, color temperature D65, color matching white RGB 0 -3 -14, red HSL 12 -4 0, green HSL -20 -8 15, blue HSL -7 -14 15, cyan HSL -21 -19 10, yellow HSL -20 -6 15, magenta HSL 11 -17 10. RGB gain and bias. R gain 1, G gain -3, B gain 1. R bias 0, G bias 0, B bias 0. Color space auto, brightness mode bright. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.